Episode 2 of 10 things I bet you did not know about. Here is a simple tutorial on how to use this typewriter effect sound. Okay, the first step is to add your text, then goes to animations. When you get here, tap typewriter and drag it to your preferred speed. When you successfully done this, find your way to audio and tap sound effects. When you do this, search for typewriter and you will find different typewriter sound effects. Choose the one you like and add it to your video. Adjust it within the text and do all the necessary edits. Reduce the volume a bit so that it does not overshadow the main video. And that should be all. Now remember the 3 steps to achieve Number this. 1, add text. Number 2, animations. And number 3, add sound effects. Try this in your next video and don't forget to thank me in the comments. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share and follow me for more things I bet you did not know. Bye.